Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025. And now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the benefits of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.25. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of negative 9.28%. This results in an average daily loss of negative 0.84% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits within the lower range of a very wide and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $19.69 be breached, it would initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning for a potential trend shift. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 18.3% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 11.4% to 62.4%. In terms of a longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis projects an expected change of negative 11.14%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 66.59% and positive 103.34% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price anywhere from $6.99 to $42.52. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock after losing 1.46%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 1.46% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025. The price dropped from $21.22 to $20.91. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.42%, with a day low of $20.79 and a day high of $21.50. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 9.28% for this period. Trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock, which is generally a positive indicator as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 1 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares traded for an approximate value of $111.74 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 61.76% or $33.77 below the 52-week high, and 73.66% or $58.47 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation, trading under the symbol DJT, is experiencing notable market movements as of June 2025. Recent unrest in Los Angeles has coincided with a surprising resilience in DJT's stock price, indicating that investor confidence may be surprisingly robust amid chaos. This could suggest a short-term buoyancy driven by the stock's political connections and the brand's recognition. However, a recent feud between Donald Trump and Elon Musk has added volatility to the stock, causing declines earlier in June. This feud may create uncertainty for investors, highlighting the risks associated with politically tied stocks and their dependency on the public image of key figures. As a result, DJT may experience short-term fluctuations as sentiments around these personalities evolve. On the other hand, Trump Media's strategic move to enter the cryptocurrency space by filing for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund is a significant long-term growth signal. This initiative could attract a new demographic of tech-savvy investors and enhance the company's profile in a rapidly growing market. If approved, the exchange-traded fund would allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without needing to directly purchase the cryptocurrency, potentially increasing demand for DJT shares. Overall, while DJT may face short-term volatility due to external factors like the Trump-Musk feud, its innovative steps into the cryptocurrency market could position the company favorably for prolonged growth, impacting its stock price positively in the long run. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average surpasses the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $21.18 and $23.96. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 20.74%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 34 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 84 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 79 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $20.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.71 between its high and low, or 3.42%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can undergo downturns, often due to factors beyond their influence. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $20.27. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Additionally, on the same day, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Lastly, on the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan sold 248 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the most recent 68 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 20.679. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in these last 68 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been set. Is the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that this stock will perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we expect the Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 157/1,000ths of a dollar and begin trading at $21.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.